This is crazy!
Taman Neraga, the world's oldest tropical rainforest.
The perfect place for two adventurers to get lost in the jungle, see some wildlife and climb to the top of a canopy walk 50 meters off the ground.
I thought there'd be a lift to the top.
We were so deep in adventure mode that we may have even taken a wrong turn or two and ended up somewhere we definitely should not have been alone.
Oh, I don't want to die.
What is happening, beautiful people?
We are Silky and Kieran and we're in our 10-year honeymoon world trip.
And we are just about to get the boat across the river.
So, the ticket for the boat is only $1 per person, which is, of course, it's not very far away.
10 seconds we were across the river. Jumpa lagi! The driver was a little bit grumpy.
I know, I think he's like morning grumpy or something.
Anyway, to stop our morning grumpiness, we took a little walk this morning to get some coffee and some sweet stuff from the village. And it's super beautiful just to walk through the village in the early morning when everything's waking up. And now, let's go on an adventure.
Some run away from predator. They have instinct to attack.
First up is the Canopy walk.
We actually had to walk through a hotel, which is kind of funny.
Yep, to the headquarters. Buy all your tickets here at the headquarters first.
They open at 8 a.m, so we're 15
early.
minutes too early.
I saw some stuff on the board where they've written sightings of animals, and recently they've seen some pretty awesome animals, and it's all early in the morning, so I hope they were early enough before all the tourists come.
Just 15 minutes later and so many people have arrived, and yeah, now we have to fill in some papers to get our tickets.
We got our tickets and permits, which was 17 ringgit in total for a camera permit, 2 tickets to the Canopy walk and 2 permits for the entry.
We're the first ones in the park. It's so quiet here, guys. There's no sounds apart from the crickets.
We've got to try and be as quiet as possible as well, because if there's any chance of seeing any wildlife, it's only going to be if we are like silently walking through. Some of the boardwalk isn't in such great condition, but it's something that's funny that in Asia they try to make nature really accessible, and you know, they have paths and they make sure everything has ropes if you need it, whereas in Scotland nature is left as nature. So if someone struggles to get up there because of the terrain, unfortunately that's just how it is, and there are some paths in Scotland that have been really made accessible, but we tend to leave nature as nature is, and there's pros and cons on both sides, you know.
We saw some monkeys, some langurs in a tree, but probably you will not really see it with this lens as the tree was very high and the monkeys were very far away.
This is a real jungle drum.
Wow, we didn't realize, but there's so many groups already in the forest. I think they're all with a guide. We thought we were the first ones.
We were not. The main reason is if you want to try and see anything on this walk, any wildlife, you need to be as quiet as possible, and just there's so much less chance of that when you're with a big group of people. So that's why we just want to create some distance.
There's so many obstacles on this path. There are holes, there are trees, there's a bit of everything. So it's an adventure, guys.
Conquered. I thought there'd be a lift to the top. Woo.
And that right here is the entrance to the Canopy walk. 10 people can go on the bridge, enjoy the view, and then the next 10 people. It's time for a dance. Lots of people. Wow, it's crazy. We didn't expect that, but we were super happy to be here. We met some nice people along the way. So yeah, quick registration before we can walk on the bridge. Here we go.
This bridge is freaking wobbly. I thought, yeah, it's gonna be easy. It's like a wobble bridge. Super beautiful though. To be so high above the trees. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm like falling all over the place here. This is crazy.
Here we go. Oh my god, it's crazy how shaky it is. Lots of people on the bridge, but this is so much fun, and wow, the nature around is so beautiful.
Every stop in between you have to wait because there's got to be like 10 meters between you and the person in front. But there's no guard on this one, so maybe we can go together.
I think, how high are we here, baby?
I think we must be about 30 meters up.
30 meters high?
Yeah, and it's about to get higher. If you're afraid of heights, this is maybe not the best thing for you because it's pretty wobbly. And yeah, if you look down, it's pretty scary. It just got higher. We're going up, 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 up. 100% worth the money though.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, there's a ladder going down and it's actually pretty scary. Oh my god, it moves so much. Tree hugging. Oh, it's a big one.
Review of the Canopy walk.
It was so much fun, guys.
What out of 5?
5 out of 5.
5, I would give that a solid 5. Do you know what? For value for money, it wasn't expensive, and even though there's a lot of tourists, I think it's super worth it. It's a lot of fun.
Beautiful. I guess you guys want to see the rest of the tour. Let's go.
Trying to download a map.
When you do the hike, make sure to pick up a map. There are different paths going different ways, so yeah, it might be handy to know which path to take.
I've never known a love so steady.
There's a reason I call her a monkey. Says if you fall.
Wow, it's just amazing to know that those vines are just holding me. Beautiful. Maybe. I'm scared. Who's the other monkey?
Wow. Crazy. That holds the weight. What I was talking about earlier with the difference between Scotland and Asia. This is more like it. This is what you would find in Scotland, just rough off-road terrain.
And I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
I heard that the trail takes around 3 hours, but I reckon there's a whole lot more to explore here. Just going, like, not off the path, but just going further into the jungle, then going around. I think you could spend a whole day here, which might end up being what we do. Who knows, we brought snacks and we are ready for an adventure.
Talking about food, yesterday this happened. Nina, a girl who lives here in Taman Neraga, just brought us homemade food.
She messaged us on Instagram when she saw our stories saying we were in the area, and she said, I'd love to bring you the local dish, which is called tempoyak. Tempoyak? Tempoyak?
Something like this.
Tempoyak.
You guys know it.
Yeah, tempoyak. And it is made from durian, and she brought us it because she saw on our stories and on our vlogs that we absolutely love durian. And wow, this dish is insane.
She made a vegetarian version, and honestly, the best food we've eaten so far in Malaysia.
In all of Malaysia.
Thank you so much, you're the best.
Terima kasih.
Oh.
The good thing is we started super early in the day. It's only 10:30, so we've been adventuring for like 3 hours now, and we've got plenty of time to find our way back if anything does go wrong.
Feel spider webs? And I think that means...
Spiders.
No, I think that means we're the first ones up here.
Ah, yeah.
Because otherwise the webs would be gone.
We made it to the top of Bukit Indah. Wow.
That was a hard and long climb, wow.
It's so worth it though, this view is incredible.
Ah!
Oh, it's not so.
It's not stable. Let's get breakfast.
We got donuts, and I just realised they're called sugar raisins, so that does not sound like the healthiest bread, but it's what it is. And we are back down from the peak and decided to try and go onto the waterfall.
It might be a big hike going and all the way back, but we just hope we get back before sunset.
We met a guy up there and we think he said it was around about 5 kilometres. It looks on the map around about 1 or 2 kilometres, so yeah, let's try. And we also heard there's a possibility of taking a boat back. Let's go! We just caught up to a group here and they had a local guide with them, and he said that we have to go back. We can't do it without a guide. Bit silly. Okay, so we met another tour group on the way here, and their guide said apparently we could be fined 3,000 ringgit each person just for being here because we don't have a guide. I'm not sure. Yeah, he said we couldn't miss the sign, but we didn't see the sign. I think due to money, we're not allowed to be here without a guide.
And I'm just like, I'm scared now because I don't want to have to pay 3,000 ringgit for doing something that we didn't know was not allowed. I thought we could come here. My steel is up.
I know.
I don't dare.
Sils, walk on this part.
I don't want to die.
No, right, okay, come. Also, the black ones are not the ones you need to be worried about. They're not poisonous. It'll hurt like but it won't kill you. The white ones are the ones that kill you. Stand your left foot here, okay, yeah. And then your right foot here. Really slowly, that's you, see?
Big mother.
We just survived a freaking scorpion.
Like this big probably.
He was huge.
Oh, and his tail is up, it's like...
He's not happy. Well, I marked myself wrong. Can't believe we didn't see it. It's not super obvious. It does say here. Now it does say attention certified tourist guide. But I'm not gonna lie, I stopped and I read this sign.
Same.
Sorry to the guides.
It should say don't enter without a guide. Okay, we're back on track, baby. Nothing can happen, we will not die. We're safe.
I'm also gonna admit that I'm a little bit wrong because Scotland doesn't have any dangerous animals really at all, nothing. Yeah, I guess there is reason to have a guide here, and it's not maybe all money, but I do think these trails they need to be discovered, and I want to discover them.
Don't bring your grandma. This is a walking flower, how beautiful. Wow, we just found this little house, which is a little viewpoint, but we heard like roar. I feel like it's very close by the resort, but oh, it scares me a little bit.
We're back on the boardwalk and we have probably walked super close to so many different animals and just not spotted them because they're so well camouflaged. And
I think that's why you need a tour. Like I was in Kota Kinabalu and I remember the tour guide just saw everything. He was like, oh look there, monkey, bird, this, that.
We will keep our eyes peeled to see what we can see. I can see you guys. I can see you smashing that like button. Smash and subscribe because you love our videos so much. Do it, I can see you.
You shot mine down.
Yeah.
Lover, what did you do?
I kicked your crock accidentally when I put mine on. Well done.
Lover! Okay, let's go. What if the monkey steal my shoe?
Okay, got it.
Oh, almost. Oh, spider web. Got it. We just noticed that there are monkeys in the trees because we hear things dropping. And then we see it's a little fruit that they eat and then they throw it down. There's half a rambutan that came down. They're so tiny still. But I'm gonna try it. I know the monkey has been eaten on it, but I'm sure it's not.
Get disease.
I think it's fine. You don't taste a lot, but it's sweet. I was expecting it very sour.
Super sweet. I'm hungry though, so I think we should take the donuts out. Monkeys, you want a donut? I'll trade. Sit up. Take them off.
3, 2, 1.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands.
Scared in case I fall.
It's the tallest.
What an amazing time we've had over the river. It's a special place.
And now it's time to get a boat back to mainland.
Oh, there's one coming now.
Going across is literally 10 seconds though. It's way too short. Just went back to our little guest house, had a shower. And now
We are ready to go.
we haven't had any proper food yet today, so we're going to get some maybe fried rice.
Oh, fried noodles. Something
Something savory.
Oh, Mama's here.
Oh, mama, there's
We
so
have
many
made
cats.
friends with so many cats in this place, and they're all amazing and loving and beautiful. And hey, Mama.
And I gave Kieran the idea that he wants to travel with a cat.
Oh,
He's like, how can we earn enough money so we can just take a cat on the road?
listen to her. Oh.
She's braggy.
So she'd be the perfect cat to take on the road because you travel with one cat, and then all of a sudden you travel with 5 cats. Well, however many babies are in here.
Beep.
That's what I thought.
Wow. Hey, took a ching.
Let's go. Let's hit the road.
I think they like us.
A little wolf pack.
They're both following us. Should we travel with cats, guys? Let us
my
know.
God.
One cat. One cat.
We are now walking through the streets of Kuala Tahan, and it is such a small village
Yeah, there's just like a few restaurants, little mini marts.
and lots of places to go and organise tours and stuff. But now we are on the search for for dinner. We're on the search for dinner, and this is where we came for breakfast a few days ago, but it looks super busy now. It is completely full. There's not a single free seat.
It's completely full inside, but luckily there was a little lonely table outside, so...
Yeah, business is booming for these guys. They deserve it. They make real good food. We had roti canai here yesterday morning, and yeah, it's time for some more good food.
Let's see what we
do
get.
it. And we went for
Pineapple fried rice
curry noodles
and watermelon juice. Something.
Our whole meal came to 23 ringgit, which is super cheap for 2 watermelon juices and all that amazing food, which was super delicious. But we have decided that we wanted some pudding.
Yeah, something sweet. Pudding means dessert.
Ah, that's true, yeah. We're gonna go to the mini mart to see what we can find.
Ice cream time. What an amazing day it has been. Wow.
It's so cold.
We loved our adventures, just exploring Taman Neraga, the Canopy walk.
Taman Negara is like definitely somewhere you need to put on your list. It's like, if you want a hit of nature, you got it here.
The Canopy walk was a lot of fun.
It was. Getting lost was even more fun.
Oh my god, but it was a
Should
little
learn
bit
not
scary.
to break the rules.
Yeah, my god. It was not on purpose though.
Nope. But anyway, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did,
Please like, subscribe, turn the notification bell, have an ice cream.
all that good stuff, and we will see you on the next Vlog-a-Mojito.
Bye!
Bye!
And make sure to check